English conversation on self-introduction with Hindi meaning. Hi, my name is Akshita. What's your name? Hello Akshita, I am Ria. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Are you new to this class? Yes, today is my first day. Oh, same here. Where are you from? I'm from Delhi. And you? I'm from Lucknow, but I live in Delhi now. That's nice. What do you do? I'm a college student. I'm in BA final year. That's great. I'm preparing for competitive exams. Good luck for that. Thank you. Let's be friends. Sure. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.